Have you ever seen rest energy written like this? I mean, I'm sure you know about mass contribution, but the second term? It is inspired by the structural similarities between classical gravity and electricity. Not only between Newton's law and Coulomb's law, but also between gravitoelectromagnetic equations and Maxwell's equations. There is a previous video showing why we express energy in this way, and also merging these sets of equations. Here, we are gonna expand on the motivations for this step to be taken. And possibly, say something about an unanswered question about what they call scaling of fields. Let's begin by writing the classical forces for gravity and electricity. Divide the gravitational force by m2 to obtain the gravitational field. For the electric force, first let's associate the imaginary unit to each charge, and then divide it by I times q2 to obtain the electric field. Notice it will force us to write charge density and electric current associated with the imaginary unit as well. Remember that, it's gonna become important later. Now let's multiply both sides by the same amount. This is gonna cancel out. Reorganize. This has mass units, so we can write this side of the equation in terms of a gravitational field, which we associate with electricity with the subscript E, not to be confused with the gravitational constant. Let's move it to a corner and let's say the same thing for the magnetic field. These are Maxwell's equations, and here, we write the charge density and the electric current already associated with the imaginary unit. Multiply both sides by the same amount. These are equal. These cancel out. These define a new density in terms of mass units. So everything simplifies to this. And play the same game everywhere. Remember, these are Maxwell's equations. And these are gravitoelectromagnetic equations. Just add them up. Simplify notation. One more time. Now everything in yellow is complex. Cool, right? Returning to this question, we've been scaling fields all along the way. So a natural question is, can we ask something about electric charge contribution to rest energy? I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.